Great advice on how to invest in the stock market. Is owning a portion of a corporation something that appeals to you? If you do, the stock market may just be what you are looking for. That being said, before you blow your savings on stocks, you really should educate yourself. This video contains that information. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. Base your portfolio on a steady foundation of strong, solid stocks when investing for the long term. Active trading can prove profitable in the short term, but it requires a great deal of time and dedication. If you cannot pay constant attention to the market, purchase reputable, consistent stocks and hold on to them. When picking stocks, find a strategy you enjoy and stick with it. For instance, you may choose to ignore the market's behavior for the most part and focus only on a company's earnings potential. Once you settle on a personal set of rules, you can seek out prominent investors or financial gurus who share your philosophy, and you can learn from them. If you are investing in a stock, be aware of potential changes and prepare for them. The stock market is like a roller coaster, always going up and down, and it is crucial that you are prepared for this to happen. If you feel like you need to know more about these changes, do your research on the internet. Before delving into the stock market, you should have a basic knowledge about stocks. Stocks, which are also called shares, are segments of a company which people may purchase. So when you own a company's stock, you actually own a piece of the company. When it comes to shares, there are two different types, common shares and preferred shares. In terms of investments, common shares are the riskiest. It is important that you never think of investing as a hobby. It is really an extremely competitive business, and if you keep that in mind, you will be able to have a more helpful outlook. You need to deeply understand your profits and losses along with the companies you are investing in. Now that you are better informed, is stock market investing still alluring? If you are, then get for what the stock market holds. So long as you don't forget the advice you've just read, you'll soon be trading stocks without having to clean out your bank account. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.